back Germany. This is one of the big shows in Europe about the packaging product. And this year, Haplast Group is very honored to become one of the leading factories in Vietnam joining the show. With more than 20 experience in the industry, at the moment we have 3 factories based in Vietnam, and we export to more than 80 countries in the world. Our main products are plastic bags, compostable bags, and recyclable. Currently, we also supply many more items in the packaging, for example, like stress film, PVC film, and a lot of tape. Also, we start with a new project of sugarcane bagasse, food container products, and paper bags. So, with 3 factories and with the capacity of nearly 4,000 metric tons per month, we can supply to many customers with different variety of products. The Fach Pack show lasts 3 days. It starts from the 24th to September in Nuremberg, Germany. So we are so excited to meet all of you, and we would love to invite you to come to our booth in Hall 3 in 2026. We will introduce a lot of products, so we will send you a lot of samples, so you can personally test the quality of the products, and you can check a lot of items. So welcome to the show, and hope that we can do a lot of business together.